how to return items on Shein. So first of all, you will have to go with your Shein app on your account. So likewise, I have not ordered any items on Shein, so I will make you learn with these pictures. So let's get started. Okay, so after opening the Shein on your account, you will got such interface. So from here, you will have to go with the sections My Order, and here you got the options like View All. So simply you have to click on this View All section. So after clicking on this view all option, you will got a lot of option here like all other unpaid processing, likewise others. So simply from here you will have to choose for the options all orders. Okay, so from here you can return the specific item you want to return. So simply for that you will have to click on this return item option. So after clicking on this return item, you will be able to return that items in a specific days. So follow the procedure accordingly that this app will guide you. So simply from here you can return the items on Shein. So hope this video was helpful to you, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.